So we start off today's video with someone who has a long ponytail. Wow, what a beautiful bob haircut. Looks like she got a bit of ombre color as well. Nice bangs to frame the face. This is absolutely stunning. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more long to short hair transformations. So next up, it looks like we have a bob haircut. Beautiful, love the texture that was created. Beautiful ombre coloring as well, center part down the middle. Very nice. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So then we move into yet another bob haircut transformation. A few layers to frame the face. Gorgeous, simple, and chic bob haircuts. I love the amount of volume that this cut has. So much body and movement. Very nice. Next up, it looks like we have another bob. Wow, this is absolutely gorgeous. She did end up getting more of like a mini bob style. Very nice angled bob as well. Beautifully done. And then we have another shoulder length cut with some color being added. Wow. Perfect blonde color. This is absolutely stunning. And she once again has a lot of volume, body, and movement within this bob. Pure perfection. Very nicely done. And then we see someone with hair just past their shoulders decide to also switch it up with a blonde bob style. And then we move on to someone who has shoulder length brunette hair. And she ended up getting a nice pixie bob haircut, followed by this modern hairstyle idea. I love the color combination with this. Wow, very nice pixie haircut. She does have the asymmetrical pixie shape for this. Gorgeous color combination with the blonde and the black. Very nice. And then we see someone with a shoulder length hair. And she decides to switch things up with this cute and chic pixie bob style. Very nicely done. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.